Solidworks PCB packs in all the power you need to easily meet the requirements of today's design demands. Take advantage of a proven design engine that includes all of the latest design technology from over 25 years of R&D experience from Altium. A comprehensive interactive routing engine provides the efficiency you need to easily route your board. Utilize several intuitive routing options including push obstacles, walk around obstacles, and hug and push obstacles, as well as multi-track dragging to quickly route your PCB with the highest degree of precision. When you're ready to heighten your design complexity, use the differential pair routing tools in Solidworks PCB. There's no need to worry about staying in compliance with your manufacturing constraints during your design process. Easily check for violations as you design with a comprehensive design rule checking system that is fully configurable to your specific needs. At any time, confirm that your board fits your mechanical enclosure with a powerful real-time 3D clearance checking engine. Automatic collision highlights show you exactly where adjustments need to be made, ensuring that your board fits right the first time.